Welcome to your DeFi terminal. This is episode 2 of Unlocking MC Finance, a 60-second walkthrough on how to create and manage your portfolio. First, go to MC².fi to explore the app. Start by connecting a wallet. Choose any wallet of your choice. Set up your portfolio profile. Set a profile avatar by uploading a random AI-generated image or a custom avatar of your choice. Generate a name for your portfolio or write a custom one. Agree to terms and conditions and save setting. Congratulations, your non-custodial portfolio is successfully created. You can now proceed to edit your bio and profile description by clicking on Settings and then Profile. Click on the drop-down icon to connect your X account so that other traders can follow you on social. Refresh your portfolio after 2 to 5 minutes to update your portfolio assets and its balance. Coming up next in video number 3, we'll walk you through create a smart wallet portfolio or connect existing wallet. Catch you in the next one.